So now let's see how we can work around with the pencil sketch effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a footage, and if I want to add in a pencil sketch effect to it, then I need to go around under effects right here. Then what I need to do is I need to go around and scroll down, and over here under stylize you can see that a pencil sketch is an effect over here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this and keep it over here, then the pencil sketch effect is applied onto the footage, as you can see, just like this. So I can go around and utilize out different presets right here. Like I can use blueprint right here, I can use comic book look right here, I can use heavy edges right here, and so forth right here. There's refined edges over here as well. There's shaded graphite right here, and there's soft sketch right here. You can go around and change around the intensity of the sketch effect and change around the edge thickness over here just like this as well. If I were to go around onto heavy edges, then I get the similar effect. Go to comic book and then I get similar effect right here just like this, and change around the edge thickness and so forth. If I were to go around onto refined edge, then this is what you have, as you can see. If I were to go around onto background, you can see that you can go around and change around the radius and even go around and change around the background color into something else as well, just like this, like blue or green and so forth, and get the effect you want. You can work around with the opacity level right here just like this as well, and change around the color amount right here so that it mixes up with the original color. Then you can go around and overlay this out with the original footage right here, or utilize soft light or multiply it out according to how you want right here, and get the effect you want. Then you got the stroke effect as well, where you can go around and choose around the stroke color. I'm just going to go around and choose out blue, for example, right here, like dark blue and so forth. You can go around and work around with the softness right here, just like this, and work around with the curvature right here as well, and then work around with the count as well. That is, you can go around and change around the count of the sketch effect. You can go around, change around the rotation effect, and then work around with the texture as well as you like. So that is how you can work around with the pencil sketch effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.